Hello there. Are you looking for information on what's happening with the home on 1156 Pinto Canyon Lane in Chula Vista, California? Well, you've come to the right place because we're selling this home real soon. I'm Erik Braceland with Braceland Homes here in beautiful San Diego, California, where we guarantee the sale and or purchase of your home. If your home doesn't sell or you don't like the home you've purchased with us, we'll just buy that home from you ourselves. Right now, we're in the process of giving this Chula Vista home a bit of a refresh so you can move right in when we're finished. You won't have to worry about cleaning, painting, or replacing flooring because we're taking care of all that. We're even whipping the yard into shape for you. Everything will be done to give you a clean slate so you can concentrate on customizing it and making it your own. Or you can just move in and start enjoying your new home. Feel free to check back often for video updates of our progress, pricing, and showing information. You can also call our hotline to be connected to a live agent or to simply listen to recorded information about this home. This alluring California home in southern San Diego County is offered for sale by us here at Braceland Homes. It is in the city of Chula Vista and the wonderful community of Eastlake, and surrounded by the communities of Otay Ranch, Rancho del Rey, Bonita, San Miguel Ranch, Rolling Hills Ranch, and Bella Lago. This community is bordered on the east by the beautiful Otay Open Space Preserve. The home is offered as a turnkey detached single-family residence and features an optional bedroom or loft in addition to the existing bedrooms. The whole interior of the home has been freshly painted. Brand new carpet is installed throughout the second floor, and the well-equipped and spacious kitchen opens up to the dining area and spacious family room with cozy fireplace. The ground floor on the home features tile flooring throughout, and the garage has durable epoxied flooring. This is one of only a handful of homes in all the Eastlake community with no Melrose and very low HOA fees, providing a considerable value over other area properties. It is also within walking distance of Arroyo Vista Charter Elementary School, rated a 9 out of 10 on greatschools.org. Other community amenities within close proximity include 2 clubhouses, parks, playgrounds, swimming pools, and walking trails to enjoy. Close to the 125, 805, and 54 freeways, dining, shopping, entertainment, beaches, theme parks, and more. You name it, you're within minutes of it. Don't miss out on this enchanting Chula Vista, California home.